In this video, we are going to be learning how to schedule send in Outlook. Scheduling send helps you to create your mail and then schedule it to be sent at a later day or later time. To do that, you create your mail as you normally would. I have a mail already. Then you go to the menu bar and select options. Below the menu bar, you're going to find the schedule send icon that looks like a kite. You click on it. Then you customize the particular time or day that you want the email to be sent simply by clicking custom time. So here you can edit the time or the date that you want your email to be sent to the recipient, and after doing that you click send. So try this when next you do not want to forget to send that mail. Remember to schedule time.